Use a 15mm open-ended wrench to turn and remove the right hand pedal in the direction of the rear wheel. Use a 15mm open-ended wrench to unscrew the left-hand pedal in the direction of the rear wheel. Use an 8mm hex key to loosen the crank screw. Screw in the crank puller. Use a 16mm wrench to turn in the direction of the front wheel to remove the crank. Install the cranks on both sides in opposite directions along the same straight line. Apply thread locking adhesive to the crank screw. Tighten the screws. Screw in the left-hand pedal in the direction of the front wheel. Use a wrench to tighten it. Screw in the right-hand pedal in the direction of the front wheel. Tighten it with a wrench. Confirm that it rotates normally.